Hey Gearheads! Today we're diving into a true blend of nostalgia and modern innovation. Remember the iconic Nissan Figaro from the early 90s? Well, it's back. And this time, it's packing some 2025 flair while keeping that vintage charm we all loved. Buckle up as we explore the new 2025 Nissan Figaro, a retro ride with a modern twist. First, let's take a quick trip down memory lane. The original Nissan Figaro, released in 1991, was a limited production car that captured hearts with its retro design inspired by 1950s European vehicles. It was a compact convertible that brought style and simplicity to the road, with only 20,000 units ever made. The 2025 Nissan Figaro retains the retro essence that made the original so iconic. From the round headlights and chrome accents to the two-tone paint job, this car is a visual treat. But look closer, and you'll notice some modern touches. Nissan has seamlessly blended vintage with contemporary. The LED headlights, aerodynamic lines, and an updated logo bring this classic into the modern era. And let's not forget the retractable soft-top roof, perfect for those sunny drives. But what's under the hood? The 2025 Nissan Figaro isn't just about looks. It's powered by a small yet punchy turbocharged engine that balances performance with fuel efficiency. Perfect for urban commutes and weekend getaways. Now, let's talk numbers. The 2025 Nissan Figaro is set to start at around $25,000, with options to customize your ride to match your personal style. Expected to hit dealerships by mid-2025, this car is sure to be a hit with both collectors and new enthusiasts alike. So, there you have it, the 2025 Nissan Figaro, a car that beautifully blends the past with the present. Whether you're a fan of the original or new to the Figaro family, this retro-inspired ride is sure to turn heads. Thanks for watching, Gearheads. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more automotive updates. Let us know in the comments, what do you think of the new Figaro? Until next time, keep those engines revving.